Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to talk mainly about the fact that Gene and Panton has finally come out and say a unicorn meat. People have messaged me and say, remember when he said this, remember when he said that? I shouldn't have said nothing. It should have been painfully obvious. The whole $1 billion scam of Usain Bolt was not carried out by Gene and Panton. It was done by your favorite high society bigwigs, the people who you all look up to and admire so much. Gene and Panton, was responsible for the low-level fragmenting of the line. She listed out the names them and tell you how she do it, but telling her say nowhere in her statement them she break down how she managed to not just steal so much money but hide it. She couldn't do it because she do it. But now she attack. And we talk about that. But before I do that, I'm briefly touch on I look at article I see in your favorite newspaper, The Gleaner. I have an ultimatum to give somebody who was in the Jamaica Gleaner. The article come out say, freed clansman, no missing man, no freed clansman never get killed. Incredible title, incredible headline. Here is the thing. The superintendent of my talk, let me give you an ultimatum. Because clearly, we even have Soup who have Ultra Squad, who sit down and listen and wait for a gotcha moment. Because that article is to try and discredit the local YouTuber. Now, of course, it was like water off a duck's back. But me still gonna lay down an ultimatum. Yes, Mr. Soup. Since you love your statement in the papers. Here we go on now. When you go back into the Gleaner, this morning, same day this a drop, because I have a video coming tomorrow where I will go deeper into this. Show me where I said in the Derby video he was killed. Show me, as for cartel being missing, that information, let me say, well, can't even say where it come from. But when that video was made, that was the case. But bigger than missing. Let's talk about killed. Because that was the end, right? Freed clansman wasn't killed. Show me in the Derby video, where I said Derby was killed. That's Jermaine Richards, Mr. Soup. And if you can do that, just state the time. Like for example, between 2 minutes and 35 seconds to 2 minutes and 50 seconds. If you can show me where I said Jermaine Richards, aka Derby, was killed in the bus park that day, I will retire from YouTube. Mr. Soup. You have the power in your hand to end the little YouTubers in it. You can spare all 87s, all 90s, all 116s, all of the crooked squad of them, enough of which they're Spanish Town. You can spare everybody from the little YouTuber. You can spare other YouTubers from the little YouTuber. By just pointing out where I said Derby was killed. He's dead. Show me where I said that. And then, after you do that, in the video, I will retire from YouTube. But if you can't show me, then you must go back to your friend them over the Gleaner and say why you not deny Derby being killed when that wasn't stated to begin with. Then after explaining why you not deny something that they were saying in the first place, so when you read the article you can see who they clearly talk about. So then after him go to the Gleaner and go tell them why they might deny something that was never said to begin with, you must then admit that since they're not sharp enough to listen to a YouTube video with understanding, basic understanding, they have no chance right, are breaking down crime or gangs in St. Catherine North. And then, Superintendent, you resign. That's the ultimatum. So that's today when this video drop. And then tomorrow, I'm going to tell the people them why. Right? When it was so quick to do some kind of gotcha moment. What really upset you? What problem will you really have with a local YouTuber? Tomorrow will be an interesting day. I could talk about Gina and Panton. Turns out, she come out and say, in a quote, that she was made an offer by Hugh Croskery. Remember the same Hugh Croskery? Who I talk about from the very beginning. Go watch my very first video on the whole Usain Bolt scamming saga. And look on the video thumbnail and you see the picture of them and put them. Go back, go watch them. Or at least the first set of videos. I don't remember if it's the first or the second or the third, but go watch the original set of videos me do and see. If you don't see Hugh Croskery in the thumbnail. He's one of the founders of them. We talk about Croskery, we talk about the CEO of the year. The one that come talk about, leave it to the proper journalists. You know, like the proper journalists them who, right, make man deny say people was killed even though that never was some. Yeah, leave it to them. Right, we know how high their standard is. So, she said, right, she was given an offer. In other words, them promised her something for she take the fall. This is like Groundhog Day. I'm sure you've heard this before, except now it's being confirmed from the horse's mouth, so to speak. She said she confessed because of the alleged offer from her former boss, former bigwig. So why should I come forward now? Maybe she finally realized she can't manage the jailhouse thing. But me telling this at one point, right, me telling her say the sentence for them thing in the Ironman is not that, it's not like it's life-ending sentence. So if somebody offers somebody a big money, right, then we go sit down in jail and come back on the road. Or maybe she decides she can't manage it. Or maybe after them promise her, X amount, then promise her 5 banana and 2 breadfruit. Now she reach a jail, them tell her there's 1 banana and no breadfruit, and she said no, that can't work. Right? Deal mash up now. Right? Me a boss. Gina and Panton broke down how she fragment the line. Nowhere in her breakdown did you see how she fragment the line for Usain Bolt thing. Remember the question I asked? Where is Usain Bolt on this list? She showed everything. She even mentioned, I think it's the baby father or somebody she was involved with. She mentioned all of the people who she fragment the line, but we don't see Usain. People, and one time I say, the big wigs them have questions to answer. People message me and tell me about man say it don't work out because Gina done confess and he's so successful, and man all tell me say you wish you did have and their success, and because every time they get for rub the shoulder some big wigs, right, they forget themselves. Do you know who that man is? That man is highly successful. Why would he need to do? Why would he need to? You know, make him tell you. All me know is I have enough common sense to know that Gina and Panton cannot pull that off by herself. Remember, the CEO of the year come telling us that he never even know say Usain Bolt was a client, and people sit down and say, well, it can't go so for real. The CEO of the year come say he never know say the most famous living Jamaican was a client, and people are buying this. Man start call back on in one country, yo, send about 300 more dog them, right, take over that country. And people can't be that smart. Right, this is elementary. Ironman citizens, when not gonna stop making people take on for food? I mean, I talk to the people who fell for the nonsense. People who tell me say, Gina and Panton already confessed, so leave Hugh Croskery alone. Leave the CEO of the year alone. You actually believe that Gina Panton, by herself, moved not millions but billions out of SSL, Scam Stocks Limited. You think she did this all by herself, a place where no one staff member can move nothing go over yourself without somebody else signing off on nothing? I can't believe this was even a theory, that Gina Panton was responsible for all of this. I didn't need her to confess. Even if she wore the order until the day she dropped down and dead, I would tell you, Gina Panton is selling unicorn. She did not pull this off by herself. Gina Panton did not remove billions of dollars from a company like SSL and nobody probably took my notice. Or the big wigs them pull this off. They move the money and them hide the money. And them hide the money in a place where you see and not get it back. When you see and them team they come out come say them have mostly 10 days. What's that when they said? 10 days or else that's the best them can do. 10 days I go come and go, the money not give back. I see it, the man have to get back your money in 10 days. You know who that? Yes, man, I know who that. The greatest spinter of all time. But he is no high society bigwig. But the connections necessary to get certain things done in Ironman, to be in the group, to be on the golf courses, to be in the meeting rooms, to get certain things done in Ironman, you see him not in there. If he was, they wouldn't have him blind like this and get away with it. Because him can call upon his quote-unquote brothers to help him out. They're not helping him out, they might help the big wigs them out. That's their brothers. Give them money in 10 days or else. That would work on little YouTubers. That would work on Chopper from Moby. That ain't working on no big wigs. That ain't working on the people who fund the political campaigns of all your favorite politicians. Who you gonna call upon? Your MP? Your senator? Their campaigns are funded by bigwigs. We are called upon. The judge? Them play golf together. Pick them go to the same school and laugh and talk. And they're laughing at you. Anyway, let's see how this is gonna. Panton squad. You open yourself. Yeah. Don't know. More life. Outer squad. See you circling. Bless.